Welcome to the WhatsApp configuration section in ActoSync. This feature allows your customers to communicate directly with your AI agent through WhatsApp. Before starting, make sure you have a WhatsApp business account and access to the Meta Developer Platform. In this tutorial, we will configure WhatsApp Business with your ActoSync AI agent. First, open your browser and go to Meta for Developers. Create a new app. Enter your app name and business email address, then click Next. Now select the use case. Connect with customers through WhatsApp. Then click Next. Select your business portfolio from the list and continue. Complete the publishing requirements if required, then click Next. Now click Create App. After the app is created, open the Meta dashboard. From the left menu, click Use Cases and customize the Connect with Customers through WhatsApp use case. Under Basic Setup, open Step 1 and select your business phone number. Now copy the following details: phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID. Next, click Generate Token and copy the generated access token. Now click Continue to Production Setup. Open the ActoSync WhatsApp configuration page and paste all the copied values into their respective fields. Next, copy the callback URL and verify token provided by ActoSync. Return to the Meta Developer page and paste these values into the webhook configuration section. Click Verify and save. Finally, complete your Meta Business verification process to activate production access. Your WhatsApp business account is now successfully connected with your ActoSync AI agent. You can now start providing automated AI-powered customer support directly through WhatsApp using ActoSync.